hopefully I'll be able to do this arrangement before it gets dark. I just received this beautiful big pot from my neighbor, somebody that she works for. She gets these big beautiful orchids and she just tosses the whole thing out. So I saw the pot, I'm like, wow, it's a beautiful pot. And she was like, you want it? I'm like, yeah. There's been like an idea of a big cactus arrangement that I've been wanting to do. So here are all my cactuses. These are mine. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here because I've been really wanting to see them in an arrangement, and that's what I'm gonna do. So hopefully we have good lighting because the sun is going down, and hopefully I can finish this on video. And guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my plants and just tip over the rock. That's how I normally remove most of the rock. And usually if it's pretty dry and your plant has been planted for a while, the rock will come out on its own without dirt. But if dirt does come out, it's not a big deal. It can always be clean because all of it will float up, and when you pour water on top of the rock, all of that dirt will flow up and flow up. So I gotta hurry up. But I also have to take my mom somewhere. Okay, so I removed that, and now I'm going to. I have some dirt here that I mixed with some sand that I had laying around. The sand that comes off of these rocks, and then I put some diatomaceous dirt, and there's perlite in here. So I'm gonna dump this, but I'm sure it's not gonna be enough. I did drainage on this with this. I made an X at the bottom with this right here. And I'm gonna check the camera right now and make sure I am okay. I'm gonna depot these, and I'm being lazy and I don't want to mix more dirt. So since this is my dirt and I know it's good, I'm just gonna do this for now. I think I still have to get more dirt anyways, and I'm just gonna place these on the side. And I should be wearing gloves. I should, but I'm not. Where are my gloves? I'm gonna use this to loosen that up because it's pretty tight in there. This has been here for months. Just there we go. Out, out. Okay, gloves it is. Okay, so I'm pulling this out. There we go. And get some of that rock in there, that's okay. These roots are really compact. Just loosen them up a little bit. Oh, the old lady. You want to have some clean hands to grab this one because trying to remove the dirt off of the old lady is very difficult. So try to keep her as clean as possible. Those are clean. Come out, come out. Oh, yes, leave it for a while. It's a good time to also inspect your plant. Roots look good. Don't see any bugs. Good, okay. Go there, she doesn't get dirty. Dirt. Oh, I'm dreading touching this one. Goodness. This blue one right here. Whew. I don't want to. Okay. I'm trying to get. Okay, this one is not, hasn't been there too long, so it's pretty easy to take out. And that's about what I'm going to do to this one. That one is so pokey. I'm going to have to get dirt regardless. This one's been here for a while too. So I'm just going to mix it up. And I'm going to enjoy this inside for a little while. This one's going to be sitting on my dining table for a while. I really like looking at them. Okay, this is going to need lots and lots of dirt. So I have to get dirt. This one too, these little hairs are no joke. They won't like sting you like with a prick. They go into your skin and they bug the crap out of you. So I'm just going to put this one over here. Oh, look at that. How am I going to get that off my glove? Goodness. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm going to have to use tape. Okay, so I definitely need more dirt. Lots of dirt. Okay, so dumped a lot of dirt in here. Now I have to mix this very well. That's diatomaceous dirt. I use it, but I'm not sure that I like it because it will make you think that your plants are sick when you see white stuff on your plants. So you can confuse it with some type of bug stuff. And I'm making a mess here. Just gonna make a space here and push like that. And surround dirt. Make sure it's straight. Actually, let me see something. See what I'm doing? You guys can see. Okay, so then I might have to, I need to do this the way I'm thinking that I'm gonna do it. Okay, so actually this has to move slightly this way. Like this. Put some dirt here to support it. And then this one has to go here. Could make it go a little bit lower. But it looks shorter, a bit shorter. And have this some dirt. Okay, and then the old lady, I don't want to touch her with my dirty gloves. I want her, where would I want her? Here? I guess. I kind of want her in the front, but then I'm gonna have like a hole. I don't know where I want to. Okay, for now I'm just gonna put her here. Okay, now I have to take up this crazy looking one. I don't know if this one's better back there. Here, here. See, this one doesn't better here. I'll give the illusion that it's pretty tall, but it's not. But I mean, this roof thingy here, I have to bury it for you. Okay. I wish I wasn't doing it in a rush because I feel like, you know, I would do a better job, but I just want to see it done. I'm just that type of person who want to see it done. I think I like her here. I wanted some space for something because I wanted to actually put something in it. This thing reminds me of like a beautiful tree. Okay, so I need more dirt to fill this spot. Gotta be careful not to throw the dirt on the bunny ears or the old lady because to clean those is very difficult. Having this dark dirt on top is not bad. You know, it's not, it's okay. Be very careful with how I put it in there. I hope this is a good video. I hope you guys can see. Good. My neighbor is a sweet, sweet lady. I'm always super nice to her. She's really nice. She treats me like if I was her daughter. Sorry, I didn't notice if I was speaking too low. You know what I didn't? Okay. Now I'm gonna have some prickly stuff on me. I need something to move dirt around. Okay, let me see if I can do this. This will work.
Right idea,
You can pound with it. There you go. Use your tools that you have near you.
Okay, I think
You can pound the dirt around. This rock is wet because I just rinsed it because it is normally full of sand. I should have rinsed the other rock too. Okay. Okay, I like the way it looks. And I think that once I decorate it, it's gonna look really, really nice and clean it up. I like it. I really do. Okay. So, uh-oh. Ah, I touched it. I touched the bunny ears. No. Oh, nice. Not too smelly for the cat. This sand here I got at the Dollar Tree. See, I already had the sand because I was thinking about something similar to this. I actually wish I had a different color rock, a lighter one. I mean, this one is dry, so it looks lighter. Oh, so I got the hairs from this bunny ears on my fingers, so that what you want to do is quickly, don't touch it, don't rub it, just go and get yourself some really sticky paper. Like I have, what do you call it? I have packing labels that are really sticky, so that's what I use. This is probably not going to be enough. This is really just to help flatten this area out in the front because the sand is going to go there. I think I'll have to use maybe the other one. I want it to stay just pretty clean, the sand, and then some of this. Okay. Rock cleaned up. I doubt it, but I can blow off the other stuff. It'll blow off easy, so I'll just do that. Better like with a spoon. see this crack over here. Oh, I touched it again. I think I did. Okay. It's okay. I'm gonna clean this up really good. It is okay. It's gonna look beautiful, and I'm touching it again. I will suffer today for touching it. Okay. That's it. I'm just gonna move some stuff around here. I'm gonna rock some stuff on the cactus itself. Here, just have to clean it up. Okay, so and show you guys looks like the way I want it to look, and that's good. I would like to put some stuff on there. This is what it looks like. I know there's a mess and the pot's dirty, but I'll clean that up. Unless I water. This is what it looks like. What is it called? With a syringe, and I have to do that. And I will have some stuff here, maybe like a little character to put on there. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and pictures will be at the end. Bye guys.